My name is George Schmatz. I'm a fire commissioner with Manalapan Township Board of Fire Commissioners in New Jersey. This is our brand new Arrow XT made by Pierce. It's going to a volunteer fire department called the Gordon's Corner Fire Company. Lots of things have changed since our last truck, but all our new stuff has the TAC 4 suspension, which we're very happy with. All our new trucks are awarded with that stuff. However, the big change for us this time is the PUC pump. This is our first one, and obviously we're hoping to get a lot of use out of it. This truck has two purposes. You know, it's a pumper and it's also a heavy rescue truck. It is replacing a Pierce heavy rescue that we just kind of outgrew. So this is a little bit bigger, and we'll see how it works out. It is a 7-man cab. Everything is custom in here to our needs, with electric up in all the cabinets, and lots of room in that cab. It is a beautiful piece. Again, lots of storage areas all over the truck, even little stuff. I mean, we got a ton of storage on the truck. Again, the big feature for us is going to be this PUC. Hopefully it really works out for us. We have a combination of different kind of valves here. Some are the traditional gate valves, and then of course we got some electric valves. So that should work out well for us. Also, all the gates on it are all electric gates for the intakes. So we're not adding anything to the outside of the truck once we put it in service. It comes fully equipped with all our lights. Everything's going to come on it. 2 light towers. So we are going to use this truck to light up any scenes that we need to light up. It really, along with the LED lighting on the body lights, it also has LED 120 volt lights, that tower lights that go up and can really light the area. We have a ton of storage, pull-out trays that really get to store a lot of our goodies on here, so to speak. This compartment will probably be for most of our hearse stuff, for our rescue end of it. We do have some transverse compartments with slide-out trays that go the whole way, and you know, this should really work out well. It has air, so it has an air compressor on the truck built in. So we do have air to use the air chisels and air tools and air hammers and stuff of that sort, along with, of course, the electric reels and that stuff. Again, tool boards, so we can mount our hydrant wrenches and our hand tools to both slide-out tool boards and another slide-out tray. Over here, just a toolbox. Put some hand tools in there, pliers, screwdrivers. I'm sure our air tools will go in some of this stuff. Over here is the storage area for our bottles, and up here we kind of designate this area for the driver's gear. So the driver comes in, he can put his pants in there and throw his jacket on, helmet goes in there, jump in a truck, gets his crew, and goes. Here's a couple neat features. Our ladders are up in here, which is kind of you know, traditional, I guess, so to speak. But this is what's nice about when we went out to Pierce for the final inspection on the truck. There was some stuff that we saw that wasn't. We saw some space that was wasted, and Pierce bent over backwards to make this stuff work. They actually took this hose reel that was here and put it on the side of the compartment. This was after this truck was done. Put it on the side compartment, built us a bigger tray, so we can really have some nice storage in there for some flat stuff, or our ice rescue stuff might go back there. But we did see that when we got there, some wasted space in there, and Pierce really accommodated us and changed some stuff around for us. So that worked out well for us. Up on the top of the truck, there's some storage for some cribbing, of course the hose and stuff like that will go up there, but on both sides there's plenty of storage up there for cribbing and stuff that's not traditionally used on everyday calls. Nice ladder to get up there safely. That should all work out very nice. 3-point hitch on the back on both sides, so we do have a winch that's actually going to be mounted in that lower compartment there in that slide-out tray. The winch could actually slide into the receivers on either side of the truck, and if we need to use that stuff to winch stuff out, it's at our needs. It's right there. Now, like I said, Pierce actually took this hose that was on the side there. It was in the back of the truck. We didn't particularly care for it, so they actually moved it for us. Great job. You never know it was ever moved. It was awesome. They did it in no time at all. It was just, we went out there and the stuff was done. This is a pretty nice feature we have on all our trucks, except we added a little bit to it. Speedy Dry hopper. It's loaded up with about 150 pounds of Speedy Dry. This one has an air valve on it that opens and closes it. Our last trucks have a manual one, so this is a new feature for us. So this guillotine kind of thing just kind of stops the Speedy Dry from actually coming out. So we're looking forward to using something new. And again, that's a little new for us. Tandem axles. The nice thing about tandem axle, this truck weighs over 60,000 pounds. We get a little extra braking out of it, and the weight. You know, we're going to carry a lot of weight between the water. This truck carries 500 gallons of water, and it does have the 1,500 gallon minute pump on it. But the extra axle gives us some extra braking power and also some extra capability of weight. Airbag compartment, custom built for us. We just gave Pierce the measurements of our airbags. They custom built this whole thing. That our airbags, low pressure here, and our high pressure stuff will just slip right into these things. And it's all strapped in. Controller will go right there. Again, back to our transverse compartment here, and air and electric on both sides of the truck. Neat thing about this, they built for us, is along with all the Scott packs that are in the truck, this is actually an extra area for a Scott pack. If one of our members happen to come up on the scene, there's extra packs on both sides of the truck for them, along with some bottle storage over here. So that's, again, that stuff works out very nice for us. Coming to here, we got some more tilt-out trays. All, you know, we'll get some nice equipment on there, and you know, we're really looking forward to getting this truck in service. Backboard storage will be up here along with our Stokes baskets. Another nice option about this thing, this vehicle, is the slide out trays for the pre-connect hoses. We actually ordered extra ones of these on our last Pierce that we had bought. We actually have these packed up at the firehouse, so when we come back from a call, we just take the spare ones, throw them on, connect the hose, and the hose that came off this truck can dry. They'll repack it, and we'll get it back on the truck the next call. So again, one of our other Pierces has this exact system on it, so it's kind of a sister truck to this area where we could interchange this whole area. Again, nice feature, the PUC pump. What they tell me about the pump, this truck, if we went with traditional pump, would have been probably about 6 feet longer, which obviously we wouldn't have been able to do. This truck's 47 feet now. Another 6 foot, which is well over 53, 54 feet. With this pump, cab tilts, and the mechanics, if there's ever a problem with it, get right into that pump area, and there's no taking panel covers off. It's there, you know, for the maintenance part of it. The mechanics are absolutely going to love this. So, again, we're looking forward to getting that PUC into service. Okay, so going back into the cab again, on the passenger side of the truck. Again, lots of storage in here. All those cabinets up top have 120 volt receptacles into it, so we can plug our cameras, our medical equipment that has to be up there and plugged in. Will all be charged all the time and ready for service. Lots of room in this cab. We're really excited to get this thing going. But again, you know, the TAC 4 suspension is an awesome thing, and they're really getting around to it. Should be awesome. It's on all on the truck. Up to the front of the truck here, our last area is going to be pre-connected Hurst tools for rescue. And we'll have a combi tool up here and a cutters, all ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. So again, this truck serves two purposes. Whether it's a rescue assignment or an actual fire, this truck could definitely handle it. Thanks for watching, and we're looking forward to really getting this Pierce in service. Have a good day.